I would assume sometime in July. I don't know exactly at the moment. Casey. All right, here we go. Break number 77, guys. These are your teams. Go ahead and take a look. Take a screenshot if you need it, guys. We always repost the replays on our channel, guys. Just check out our TikTok videos. Appreciate the close, guys. Definitely appreciate it. All right, good luck. Hopefully we can hit some downtowns in this break. Definitely appreciate you guys for closing that one out, guys. All right, here we go, guys. 10 blasters. Good luck. These are loose blasters, guys. Break number 77, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Finally, let's take this thing down. The spinner. Sometimes people hate that spinner. This is just a thing we have there. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Remember, you guys can always watch the replay. I do post a recap on my TikTok as well. Recap and the full replay so you never miss the break, guys. Here we go. Good luck. 10 blasters, purple shocks. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Hopefully we can hit the DT starting off with this one. Oh, give me 1 second. Let me do some shares really quick. Joey, Dylan, Caden. All right, good luck. Here we go, guys. By the way, as a diehard Colts fan, you're welcome for the ring with Peyton. Huh? What ring with Peyton? What are you talking about? Eric All and Jonathan Brooks. Me? I'm a Texans fan. What's going on, Boda? Lambjack, Bucky, what's going on, Percival? How you doing today? Terrion Arnold, Maurice Liafu. What's everybody's favorite team, guys? What's everybody's favorite team? Xavier Worthy, Dylan Lobb. So crazy. I already know you're a Colts fan now. JL. I know you're a Texans fan. Michael. Dolphins fan there. Ooh, what is this? Wow. Lions. No. There you go. Dallas. Christian Wilkins. And Rook Aurora. That one kind of just snuck up on us. First box, huh? Dallas. Congrats. There you go, buddy. How about a Jaden Daniels? All right, up first box, just Javon Baker. Wow. Okay, there you go. Just Javon Baker. Wow. Okay, there you go. No beating that for sure. No beating that box, huh? I don't think we're beating that box. What do you guys think? Are we beating that box? Let's beat it. Let's beat it. Come on. We can get 2 still. Oh, Dunze for the Bears. Byron Murphy. Jake Ferguson. Marshawn Nealon. All right, dual downtown. We'll take it. I thought that was an auto for a second. Jatavion Sanders. Edgerrin Cooper. Max Crosby on a play action. Ryan Flournoy. Why so many Dallas? I swear, that's so many Dallas players I pulled. What is that? Oh, wow. How about a Daniel Jones, Sunday Kings? Daniel Jones. That is another little case hit there, isn't it? Garrett Wilson and Javon Bullard. What a Daniel Jones for the Giants. There you go, Nightman. Your favorite quarterback. We'll take it. We'll take it. Why not? We'll take it. Adisa Isaac, AJ Barner. He's going to be back up. You sure about that? Come on. Downtown, please. Downtown. White Pandora downtown. Anything white Pandora, we'll take it. Anything white Pandora. How about a 1-of-1 jersey? How about a Brock Bowers for the Raiders? Anthony Gold. All right. Okay. It's a good little loose box there. Jalen Hurts, Keon Coleman. That Sunday Kings is pretty clean too. Malik Washington, Cooper DeJean. I feel like Cooper DeJean gets so much love. Audric Estime, Troy Taylor, the Bears kicker. Can we get something else here? Roy Guerrero. There's a J.J. McCarthy for the Vikings. I don't know. I feel like we're doing pretty good with some case hits. Definitely doing pretty good. I would love for AR to take the, How about a Drake Mays? There you go. Tyrone Tracy Jr. All right. We'll take it. We'll take Drake Mays. We're not even. Oops. Sorry, CeeDee Lamb. Sorry. I pull a lot of Drake Mays lately. A lot of Drake Mays. Can we get a downtown, please? Can we get a downtown? We got Dallas. We had the 3-team. Little Mayor. Are you here? Adana Mitchell. How about another Jaden Daniels base? We'll take it. Look, he'll be the new bestie if I hit a downtown for him tonight. Zach Moss, Audric Estime. Kamari Lassiter for the Texans. Kool-Aid. Didn't Jake Haener get injured? Who got injured on the Saints? Terrion Arnold, DJ James. CD Lamb on the Uptown. Jalen Carter. There's a Michael Penix. I know. I hate it. I hate it when we pull it for like the first box. Right? Kind of want to leave it towards the end, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Chop Robinson for Miami. Jacob Cowling. All right, this is box number 5, guys. We're on box number 5. Still got like 5 more after this. There's a Spencer Rattler. Malik Neighbors. Come on, dual downtown, please. Can we do a dual downtown and Sunday Kings and an Uptown? What do you guys think? White Pandora would be sick. Someone got injured, right? Didn't someone get injured? Jawar Jordan, Texans. Roman Wilson. Rookie. Chris Braswell. Devontae Walker. You never know. He can have a second-year blow. There's a Drake Mays passing grade and Jason McCoon. He can have a sophomore glow-up. Remember, what's his name? Remember Josh Allen wasn't that great. Remember? Josh Allen wasn't great in his first season. A lot of people was talking smack. Ezekiel Elliott. There's a Caleb. Wait, who's their receiver? Who's their receiver? Forgot. Anthony Gold, Braden Fisk. All right, guys, second half. Second half of the break here. Last 5 boxes. Good luck. This one was the spinning one. The one spinning in the middle. That's it. Rashid Shaheed, right? Rashid Shaheed. Rashid Shaheed. Troy Franklin. Javon Bullard. I feel like Dallas is so loaded in Optic. Give me another downtown, please. Josh Palmer. AJ Barner. Oh, don't say we got ×2. This guy. Jerzane Newton. Kamani Vidal. Devontae Adams going to the Packers there. Chris Braswell. Should be a rookie here. Javon Bullard on a hollow. Max Melton. Marvin Harrison on a shock. Xavier Worthy. Come on, give us a nice hollow. Still got 4 blasts to go, guys. Good luck. Marshawn Nealon, Darius Robinson. Another Dallas player. Another Dallas rookie. Should be a rookie here. Good luck. Xavier Worthy for the Chiefs. We'll take that. Quinyon Mitchell. Sorry, Mr. Mays. Edgerrin Cooper. Jalen McMillan. What's going on, ATX? Jordan Love. Tyler Nugent. Jameson Williams. Joe Alt. Ryan Flournoy, Braylon Trice. All right, guys, 3 blasters to go. Good luck. Here we go. Can we do it, guys? Can we do it? Can we get it downtown? Come on. Come on, be nice. Be nice. Yeah, way. So many cowgirls. I don't think he's even here either. Jalen Wright, a lot of Miami too. Spencer Rattler. I think every single rookie was hit for Miami. Rasheed Rice. Jawar Jordan. Oh, times two. Ben Zanat, Anthony Gold. Best Teddies for the Titans. Keon Coleman. Come on, give us something. Kyron Williams hollow. Another Cooper DeJean. Chris Jenkins. Troy Taylor. All right, last 2 boxes here, guys. Good luck. Good luck here. Don't say that. Don't say that. You should be mad at the Texans. Jordan Travis. Kamani Vidal. I forgot about Jordan Travis, to be honest. Ever since he retired. Why? What did the Titans do to the Colts? Cam Ward? Is that what happened? Javon Baker on the hollow. Chris Braswell. Woo-woo! Come on. Come on, last box magic. We still got one more box, guys. Ricky Pearsall for the 49ers. Max Milton. Ricky Rolex. Colts and Titans are a bigger rival. I didn't know that. Jonathan Brooks, Xavier Worthy. I thought the Texans would be more of a rival. Because we got y'all beat. Grady Jarrett, Jonathan Brooks. That's our first patch of the night. Jalen Polk, and we'll take it. Jamari Thrash and a Bucky. Good luck. Good luck. Tough one. Tough one to beat, man. Tough one to beat. All right, guys. Here we go. Good luck. Last box. Other break, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Wow. Did we start off? We started off hot and just. We want the downtown. Give me the downtown. Let's go, guys. Downtown. Make it happen. Dylan Lobb. Jaden Hicks. I mean, these are technically half cases, right? They got shipped to me 10 at a time. Technically, they're half cases. So we got the good half, assuming. Minka Fitzpatrick and a Troy Franklin. Is that a mosquito? If we can get another one. Rorik Aurora and Jerzane Newton. All right, guys. Last 3 packs here. Good luck. Good luck. Barely any patches. What is that? Chain reactions. Jordan Love. Marvin Harrison. Need a BTJ. Come on, let's end it with something good. Come on. I think that might be another patch there. Looks thick. Hollow, give us a rookie. That is a rookie. But it's going to Dallas again. Dallas was loaded in this box. Eric All. I think we hit a Neighbors. We hit a base Neighbors Nightman. All right, here's a patch. Good luck. Troy Franklin. Javon Baker and Terrion Arnold. There we have it, guys. There we have it. I mean, we started off super hot. It just kind of died down after that. But, I mean, overall, 10 blasters wasn't too bad. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys for getting in that one, guys. Let's do a quick recap. Definitely appreciate it. We'll be running this back tomorrow, guys. Another Optic break here. All right. Quick recap here, guys. Appreciate you guys for getting in on that one. Remember, guys, you can always rewatch the live, guys. I do post it on my channel. All you got to do is check out my TikTok recaps. Definitely appreciate you guys for getting in and out. I think we did hit a base. We did hit a basement Neighbors. There you go. So far for quarterbacks, it was Jaden Daniels and Drake Mays. So we hit all the quarterbacks, but not in color. Not in color. And then these were our little trophies here. Our little trophies. Xavier Worthy Hollow, Drake Mays, Brock Bowers, Jaden Daniels, Daniel Jones, and a CeeDee Lamb on the Uptown. There we have it, guys. There we have it. Appreciate you guys for getting in on that one, guys. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to send me a message. Definitely appreciate it. We will be back on tomorrow, guys. We'll be running another 10 blaster of this. Definitely appreciate you guys for getting in that one, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Other than that, guys, we are done for the night. Appreciate you guys for getting in on that one, guys. You guys have a great night. Take care and stay safe, guys. Thank you.